Hello friends, this is Kamlesh and you are watching Gear Up Windows YouTube channel, and in this video we will guide you on how to permanently disable Microsoft Windows Defender antivirus on Windows 11. If you are using other antivirus or due to some reason if you want to disable Defender antivirus on your Windows 11, then this Gear Up Windows YouTube article will be going to help you for you. So let me begin without any delay. First of all, you need to open this one Sordom Defender Control link, and you can find this link on this video description also. So after browsing this link, scroll down and download this application from this one link. And you should note if any antivirus are not allowing you to download this one application, then you can disable temporarily your antivirus on your PC and then again try on your PC to download it. Such as I am using a Avast antivirus and I have disabled it because it's not allowing me to download this one application. So I have disabled it and I will again download it in front of you. By the way, I have already downloaded it and I can proceed, but let me go through the sequence so it will be better for you. So once it is downloaded on your PC, move the downloaded folder to your desktop for easy access. Just select and drag it to the desktop, and after that you can close this one. Then press Windows plus R key on the keyboard, and here in the run dialog box type msconfig. You can copy this command from this video description also. So after typing msconfig, click OK or press enter on the keyboard. Then move to boot tab and here check this option safe boot, and by default minimal will be selected. After that click on this one apply, then OK button, and click on the restart button. This will restart your PC. Microsoft Defender does not allow Defender control application, so you need to boot into safe mode to deactivate Defender antivirus on your Windows 11 machine. That's why I have rebooted my PC in safe mode. After restarting your PC, enter your PIN or password, whatever you have configured on your PC, and log into your account. Here, right click on this one downloaded file and select extract all option. Due to some reason it is not extracting on my PC. I think this file is corrupted. I have already extracted and kept for you. So here you will find one password file. You need to copy this one password from this one link. By the way, password is Sordum, SORDUM. I will write in this video also. And after that you need to extract or just open this one Defender control application. This one also not allowing me. So I will move to another file that I have already downloaded on my PC, and I will show you how it works. So here right click on this one downloaded file and select extract all, then click on extract button. This will extract Defender control in a folder. Open it, copy this one password, then extract def control files in a folder. Enter the password, then open this one folder, again open, and right click on decontrol application and select run as administrator. Here you need to click on this one, disable Windows Defender, to disable this one application on your PC. And after disabling the Defender application, this one application will turn red. You will see red colors. That means the application Windows Defender has been disabled on your PC. And if you want to enable this one, then you need to click on this one, enable Windows Defender button. After that, again press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open run dialog box. Here type msconfig and press enter or click on the OK button. This will open system configuration window on your PC. Move to boot tab. Here uncheck this one, safe boot. Click on apply. Click on OK. Click on restart button to reboot your PC. And hopefully this will disable Windows Defender or Microsoft Defender antivirus on your Windows 11 machine. You can see on my screen, I will show with proof. After rebooting your PC, enter your PIN or password to log in into your account. Once the applications and desktop icons are visible, click on this one, notification and system tray, and you will not find Windows Defender here. That means Windows Defender is completely disabled on my Windows 11 machine. Like this, you can disable Windows Defender on your PC if you don't use it. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, please subscribe. And if you have already subscribed to my channel and want to support us, like this video and share also. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.